Good day, Dr. Muhammad Luman. We are Group Unstoppable. Welcome to our presentation on the software requirement specification of the Digital Mental Health Literacy Hub for higher education students. We are using Agile methodology to develop this project. These are the team members of our team.
The purpose of this system documentation is to outline the design, development, and implementation. It addresses the growing need for mental health awareness in universities, providing a detailed guide for stakeholders of features, functionalities, and requirements. This document targets sponsors, developer, tester, and user, ensuring a shared understanding of project goals. This is an online platform offering resource self-assessment and verify mental health materials for students, faculty, and staff. It supports learning, well-being, and communication through personalized content, consultation, and system management tools. When not a crisis intervention, it promotes mental health literacy and reduces stigma in university. This system documentation outlines the Digital Mental Health Literacy Hub's requirement, including functionalities, user stories, and technical design. It covers software interface, communication protocol, and testing strategies, providing a comprehensive blueprint for building a secure and user-focused mental health platform. This is the Persona 1, Higher Education Student. This is the Persona 2, Faculty Member. This is the Persona 3, Mental Health Professional. This is the Persona 4, Administrator.
The user diagram outlines the interaction between users and the system. The actors are higher education student, mental health professional, administrator, and faculty member. The relationship between the use cases are stated in this diagram. For example, there is an include relationship between UC10 and UC11, as UC11 is a state included in UC10. There is also an extended relationship between UC12 and UC10, which means UC12 is an attention of UC10 under certain condition.
Good morning, doctor. My name is Chong Ji Wan, and I'm from Group Unstoppable. Today, I will explain what I do in assignment 2. This is the domain model. There are four users in this model, which is student, faculty member, admin, and professional.
Student can input their login credentials to log into their account. If the credentials are incorrect, our system will display an error message. If the credentials are correct, they can select and perform the function in our system. After that, they can back to home page to select and perform the function again, or just log out the account.
Our product backlog is organized into 10 sprints, each with clear priority and specific user story. We focus on K-Vision, AI, mental health chatbot, self-assessment, and progress tracking. Every sprint has defined modules to develop, such as virtual counseling and analytic tools, with tasks assigned to 2 team members for accountability. This structure ensures clarity and keep the project moving forward efficiently.
Okay, next, I will explain the use case. The first use case is participate in game learning. The actor is student. Okay, student requests a service, and then they need to select the game and play the game. After they complete the game, they will get the reward like point and badge, and this point and badge will save to game database, and student can activate anytime. And this is the activity diagram. And this is the activity diagram. And this is the activity diagram.
This is the UC2 Access Learning module. So the flow of event is the user select the learning module option, and the system will present a syllabus of module. As example is mental problem, like how to solve it, like that. So next, the users will select the specific module and start learning. So the user can follow the module and mark this as complete after they read. So the system will audit the user's learning progress. This is the sequence diagram for the event flow. This is the sequence diagram for the event flow. This is the sequence diagram for the event flow. This is the activity diagram for the UC2. This is the activity diagram for the UC2. This is the activity diagram for the UC2. The user storage tree is complete mental health self-assessment. For the flow of event, the user select the mental health self-assessment option, and the system will present some set of questions like that to ask the student what they do, and the user select and complete the self-assessment. Then the system will provide summary report with recommendation like this is the high risk student or what, like whatever. So the user save and download the report. This is the sequence diagram for the event flow for UC3. This is the sequence diagram for the event flow for UC3. This is the sequence diagram for this is the activity diagram for the UC3. This is the activity diagram for the UC3. This is the activity diagram for the UC3. This is user story form, which is book virtual counseling session. So the actor is a higher education student, and the flow of event is user select the booking option. Then the system will present a list of counselor. Then user select a preferred counselor and available time slot. So if the counselor is unavailable, the system suggests alternative time slots for the student. So next is the system will confirm the booking and send a notification to the student, and the user will attend the session. This is the sequence diagram for the UC4 event flow. This is the sequence diagram for the UC4 event flow. This is the sequence diagram for the UC4 event flow. This is the activity diagram for the UC4. This is the activity diagram for the UC4. This is the activity diagram for the UC4. This is the activity diagram for the user story file is track personalized progress. So as a student, he wants to track their personalized progress so that he can monitor their growth over time. So the flow is we need to include the assess self-care routine. So we need to know what they do in a routine, so we can just track their personalized. So next, the user select the progress tracking option, and the system will present a graph chart or summarize of the user's activity to let the user know their progress. So the user will review and download the progress data. This is the sequence diagram for the UC5 event flow. This is the sequence diagram for the UC5 event flow. This is the activity diagram for the UC5. This is the activity diagram for the UC5. This is the activity diagram for the UC5.
Okay, the next use case is assess self-care routine. The actor is also the student. Okay, student requests a service, and then they need to select a routine and follow the routine. And this system will save the progress for student, save in routine database. And student also can activate at any time. And this is the activity diagram. And this is the activity diagram. And this is the activity diagram. Okay, the next use case is chat with a mental health chatbot. And the actor is also student. Next is sequence diagram. Student requests the AI chat request. Okay, and student input a message, and the AI chatbot will reply the message to user. And if AI chatbot, if you understand, they will prompt user to retype the message again. And this will also save the conversation in the chat database. If chat page found that the user is in a bad mental health, and Jetpatch will send the student name and student ID to the counseling system. And then the counseling system will book the section for student. And this is the activity diagram. And this is the activity diagram. And this is the activity diagram. Okay, after that is discuss experience and obviously with peers. And the actor is also is student. Okay, student will request the service, different service, and then they select the topic, and the system will check the topic validation. If valid, a student can post message, and after post message, system will send notification to other user to reply the post just now. And this system will also save the conversation into discussion database. And student also can leave the page at any time, and like they can return to the home page. Okay, and this is the activity diagram. And this is the activity diagram. And this is the activity diagram.
Use case 9 is personalize the hub. The mental health professional can customize the mental health hub layout and features so that they can create a personalized and engaging experience. Mental health professional can go to the customization hub and choose the customization that they want. After that, our system will show the preview and they can save the preference and our system will display the successful message. System will load the personalization option and the user can select the option and confirm the change.
This user story allows mental health professionals to manage student cases. They can view case detail, track progress, and label mental illness probability or as medium or high. Feedback can be delivered or virtual counseling can be suggested. The system updates the case data and notifies student when needed. Alternative route include leaving the case screen or recommending counseling. An error message appears if update failed, precondition are that the professional is not in and cases are already exist. This sequences diagram show how a mental health professional manages student cases. They view teacher and update the mental illness probability. The ALT operator handle two options, give feedback or suggest counseling. The IEF operator link to feedback or counseling module. The OPT operator check if the update succeeds and show a confirmation it is failed and error message appear. The diagram shows how a mental health professional manages student cases. They view a case, review progress, and design or action like giving feedback, suggesting counseling, or updating the case later. After updating, they leave the page. This user story is about conducting counseling session. The mental health professional first navigate to the virtual counseling session. There is a notification about the session and prepare the counseling link. The link is sent to the student and a reminder is scheduled. At the scheduled time, the session is conducted through the system. If any system error occurs, the professional will schedule the session by contacting the student. The sequences diagram show how a mental health professional handle a virtual counseling session. They go to the virtual counseling page. The first OPT operator check if the session is scheduled correctly, and if so, confirm the detail. If there is issue, the second OPT operator let them retry or reschedule. The LT operator show either a success or error message depending on the outcome. This diagram shows how a virtual counseling session is scheduled and conducted. The professional start the process and the student receive a session link. The professional then conduct the session, and if there are no issues, the session proceed as scheduled. A mental health professional upload digital resources to the system. The system check if the resources is valid. If valid, an administrator reviews and approve it. The administrator then inform the professional of the decision. If the upload failed and error message is run, the approved resources is shared with student. This sequences diagram show mental health professional sharing digital resource. The professional upload a resource with an OPT operator for the upload process. The system validate the file format with ALT operator if the format is invalid. The administrator review the result via ALT operator if the resource is unsuitable. This ADB diagram show mental health professional uploading a resource, the system validating it, and the administrator approving or rejecting it for publishing.
Use case 14 is administrator can view analysis on student engagement so that they can monitor usage pattern and identify the error for improvement. Administrator navigate to engagement analysis page and they can apply the filter, and our system will fetch the data and return the filtered data to administrator. After that, the administrator can download or share the report. Administrator can filter the data of student and download the report of filtered data.
UC 15 ensure compliance with data protection regulation. Event flow system encrypts user data. Privacy and terms of service are displayed. Administrators are notified of data access attempts or breaches. UC 16 manage platform content updates. The actor is administrator. Event flow, the manager navigates to content management section. He can approve, edit, or delete contents. He can preview changes and publish updates. This is the sequence diagram for UC 16. This is the activity diagram for UC 16. UC 17 manage user information. Actor is administrator. Event flow, administrator navigates to user management. He creates or updates or deletes data. The system processes the request, like saves or removes the data. The system then confirms action and provides feedback to the administrator. This is the sequence diagram for UC 17. This is the activity diagram for UC 17. UC 18 generate reports for stakeholders. Actor is administrator. The administrator accesses the report section. He can select the type of report like engagement metrics, user demographics, module completion rates. He can customize the report format and select a time range. Then the system generates and download the report. This is the sequence diagram for UC 18. This is the activity diagram for UC 18.
For our use case 19, the user story is assess mental health training resource for identifying students in distress. The faculty member will be able to check the record of the training module and can analyze students' mental health in this use case. Faculty member can go to the training resource page from the home page, and the training resource page will show the available module. And after that, faculty member can select the module that they want to see the record. Faculty member navigate to training resource page, and our system will load and show the available module, and they can select the module, and our system will load the student records. The user story of use case 20 is report concern about student. In this user story, faculty can secretly report concern about student to mental health professionals, so the mental health professional can help the student on time. Faculty member can go to the training resource page from the home page and open the report features, and our system will display the report page, and they can fill in the report form and click the submit button, and our system will check the validity of the report. The activity diagram is same as the sequence diagram but more simple.
Performance requirements. The platform must ensure 24/7 uptime for continuous access, real-time updates with AJAX support for instant changes, quick access and response time under 3 seconds for smooth UX. Notification must update in real time within 3 seconds. Design constraints. User-friendly and intuitive interface, responsive design for all devices, real-time communication for chats, calls, and notification, easy to use CMS for seamless admin management.